Welcome. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a new Discord account on PC with the latest update. Whether you want to start fresh or add another account for personal or work purposes, it's quick and easy. Let's get started. First, open Discord on your PC. If you're already logged in, don't worry, we'll get you set up with a new account in just a few clicks. Now that Discord is open, head over to the bottom left corner of the screen. There, you'll see your current username and profile picture. Click on your username, and a small menu will pop up. In this menu, you'll want to click on Switch Accounts. This option allows you to manage multiple accounts without having to log out every time. Once you click that, you'll be taken to a new screen with a few options. To create a brand new account, click on Add an Account. This will open up a fresh login screen where you can enter details for your new account. Now, you'll need to enter your new email address or phone number, followed by a password for the new account. Make sure the email or phone number you use hasn't been linked to another Discord account yet, as Discord will need a unique one for the new account. After entering your details, you'll be guided through a few more steps to create the account. Discord might ask you to verify your email or phone number, so keep an eye on your inbox or text messages for a confirmation code, and that's it. Once you've completed those steps, you'll have your new account ready to use. You can switch back and forth between accounts easily from the same Discord window. If this tutorial was helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more Discord tips and updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.